Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to invest in Nvidia stock on eToro step by step. First open the eToro app and log into your account, then you will get here. Next tap on the search bar and start typing the name of the stock you want to buy. Choose Nvidia from the search results. Now tap the trade button to start your purchase. Decide how much you would like to invest. The cool thing is that you can actually buy fractional shares. You can also adjust a few settings here. For example, you can set a stop loss price, which tells eToro to automatically sell the stock if its value drops to that level, but it's possible to set it after the purchase as well. Now, leverage is optional. Personally, I just leave it at 1x. And under the order type, you can pick market to buy immediately at the current price, or limit if you want to set a specific price. Finally, click on buy, and that's it. Go to your portfolio to check your investments by tapping on the pie chart on the left. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.